is remove the 5 lugs. We have a 21
other caliper that's got to be pushed back, because if not, we can't put the new. The bottom one, pull it out, grab the caliper from the bottom, and move. Guys, got me a little toothbrush wire brush here, and that's all you want to do is just go, guys. Let's go show you. Look how much these brakes are worn down. Look at the brake pad. Just that quick. We are done with this side. Now the only thing we have to do, man, I should have been doing this, man. Come on, man. Put the thing in there. Here, I'll hold it.
My old caliper with my new one.
The caliper.
I mean brake. You know what I mean?
No, I don't know what you mean.
Show you how we do that.
And we'll be right back.